How to install the rack mount kit for a U-series receiver. Take one of the metal brackets, 2 screws, and a Phillips head screwdriver, line up the mounting holes and screw in the bracket. Take the remaining metal bracket, screw it in the same way on the other side. Once you have fitted the rack mount kit to the receiver, it's now time to add the antenna extensions. This end goes on the back and screws on exactly like the antennas, and the other end comes through the front of the rack mount kit, which allows you to add the antenna to the front of the receiver.